Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the machine stays powered, plug in the AC adapter, and close unnecessary programs. Once done, insert the Windows 7 install DVD or system repair disk and reboot the PC. You must boot from the DVD. Press the boot key shown on screen, choose the optical drive, and wait for setup to load. While setup initializes, keep your product key nearby and remove USB drives so Windows won't try to preserve extra devices during reset. You'll move through setup prompts, pick language and click Install Now because that starts the full reinstall path. Make sure you select Custom, Advanced rather than Upgrade as you want a clean system without previous files. Next, choose the system partition, usually labeled C, and click Drive Options then Format. This deletes old data but resolves corruption. Once formatted, select the partition and click Next. Setup copies files and restarts the PC automatically, so be patient while Windows installs. You finish by following the out-of-box prompts to create an administrator account and set preferences. This configures the initial user environment. Once on the desktop, install chipset, network and graphics drivers from the PC maker, then run Windows Update multiple times until no critical updates remain, because drivers and updates restore full functionality. If the system won't boot, reboot to the DVD and choose Repair Your Computer. Then run Startup Repair. If that fails, use Command Prompt to run boot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.